ताका सावंतवाडी सरकार म्हणटा. ही सावंतवाडी हाडली कोणे हे खबर आहा सगळ्यांक. पूण ही सावंतवाडी सरकार आसा पळय, ही सावंतवाडी सरकारान गोंयचें कशें भंजन केलां हें तुमी जर पळयत फाटल्या 5 वर्सांचो कार्यकाळ आनी ताज्या पयलीं 2012तल्यान कार्यकाळ आनी ताज्या पयलीं ज्या मनशाक मुख्यमंत्री जावपाची सपना पडटा ताजो कार्यकाळ, हे जर 15 वर्सां पळयत जाल्यार गोंय कशें घसरलां हें दिसून येता. म्हाका याद आसा 2007 ते 2012 हांवूय रस्त्यारूच आशिल्लो झगडत, येथेलूय रस्त्यार आशिल्लें झगडत. ओडीपी मेस, आरपी मेस, पीडीए मेस, टीचरी रस्त्यार आपले इशू घेवन, कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट वर्कर रस्त्यार आपले इशू घेवन, एमओआय घेवन थंय एक्टिविस्ट रस्त्यार, मलेरिया वर्कर रस्त्यार, सगळे लोक 2007 ते 2007 हे गिराण लागिल्लें. 7 गोंयांक 2007 हे गिराण लागिल्लें पळय तें अजून सुटना. आनी ते टीएमसी सोडटली लोकांच्या आदारान. कित्याक लोकांनी निश्चय केला की गोंय परते ट्रॅकार येवपाक जाय म्हणून. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिवली गोंय घसरून उडयला गोंयांक. हांव याद करता कित्याक 2007 ते 2012 जो कार्यकाळ आशिल्लो त्या कार्यकाळाचो एक मंत्र आशिल्लो. मंत्र कसलो? आनी तो मॉडेल ऑफ गव्हर्नन्स त्या मनशाचो जाका सपना पडटा पळय आतां मुख्यमंत्री जावपाची, तो कांय उलयना हरशीं. नरेंद्र मोदीन ह्या देशाचे वाट लायलां, अमित शाहान ह्या देशाचे वाट लायलां, प्रमोद सावंतान ह्या गोंयचे वाट लागलां, नाल्यार मनोहर पर्रीकारान ह्या गोंयचे वाट लायलां असो नांव घेवन स्टेटमेंट केला जाल्यार म्हाकाय दाखोवचो. अशें डळमळ अशें कितें तरी पोके फार मारप जाता थंय त्या मनशाचे. पोके फार गाडी बी चलयता पळय चडटेर न्यूट्रल घालता तो आनी फ्लॅट रोडाचेर फर्स्ट घालता. पेटो आवाज काडप वो हू करून खंयच्याकय काय ना. हो मॉडेल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आनी तो मॉडेल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन कसलो? ताज्या कॅबिनेटान अशी एक हें आशिल्लें की तुमी कितेंय करा, कदेल सांबाळा. हो मॉडेल ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. 2007 ते 2012 जे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आशिल्लें ताजो मॉडेल, त्या मनशाचो मॉडेल जो मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो ताजो मॉडेल आशिल्लो कॅबिनेटाक आपल्या तुमी जाय तें करा, कदेल सांबाळा. सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार टीएमसी पार्टी काम करपा लागल्या आनी काम करून लोकां मदीं एक क्रेडिबल ऑल्टरनेटीव म्हणून उबी जाल्या. जो हो सपना पळयता पळय मुख्यमंत्री जावपाची त्या मनशाचो फॉर्मालीन फिश इशूचेर म्हणटें कितें आयकलां? त्या मनशाचें 16 बीचेर म्हणणें कितें टावन प्लॅनिंगाचेर आयकलां? त्या मनशाचें म्हादेईचेर म्हणणें कितें आयकलां? तो मुद्द्यांचेर उलयना, तो हें दिता प्रवचन. अशें वयल्या वयरशें कितें तरी वयर हेलिकॉप्टरांतल्यान पळोवप कितें चल्लां तें, जमनीर येवप ना. म्हणून त्या मनशान जो 2007 ते 2012 जो मुख्यमंत्री आशिल्लो ताणें जाप दिवपा जाय. ताणें की मायनिंगाचेर हें मॅस कशें जालें, म्हादेईचो इशू, तें उदक गेलें पळय आतां डायवर्ट जालें, 13 टीएमसी कितें तें डायवर्ट जालें. तें सरकार आनी हें सरकार. ह्या सरकारान सांगले वयल्यान तो हें येतकच अवॉर्ड येतकच जैत म्हणून. कसली जैत? कसली जैत जर उदक डायवर्ट करपाक तांणी चड मागिल्लें कमी मेळ्ळें. होच विनोद पालेकार वॉटर रिसोर्सीस मंत्री आशिल्लो. ताणें सांगलें जैत म्हणून. कसलें जैत? दुसरी गोश्ट, म्हाका याद आसा सगळे लोक 2007 ते 2012 रस्त्यार, आपआपल्या मुद्दे घेवन रस्त्यार. ताजी आमदार घटक विक्टोरिया फर्नांडीस ती रस्त्यार. ती बावडी ना आमच्या मदीं आतां. ती एकूच बायल आशिल्ली, तिका भायर दवरली कॅबिनेटांतल्यान, ती रस्त्यार बसली. सो बेजिकली ताका जी सपनां पडटा पळय, ताणें ह्या मुद्द्यांचेर उत्तर दिवपा जाय की ही हॅज टू टेल द पीपल फॉर्मालीन फिशाचेर ताजो स्टँड कितें. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. मागीर हे आतां बाकीचे जे इश्यू आसा 16B टावन प्लॅनिंग, ताजेर ताजें म्हणणें कितें स्पेसिफीक जाप. कित्याक काँग्रेस म्हणटा सुटकेस टू सुटकेस बेसीस म्हणून. काँग्रेस म्हणटा, कोर्टान वचूना पूण म्हणटा. कितें म्हणटा कितें तुमी जाणा. हो कितें म्हणटा, सपना पडटा ताका मनीस कितें म्हणटा. आयकलां 16Bचेर कितें उलयल्लें. मायनिंगाचेर ताणें उलोवपा जाय. मायनिंगाचें मॅस हें बाबा कशें जालें, कोणें केलें. सो इम्पॉर्टंट गोश्ट म्हणल्यार आमच्या पक्षाच्या लिडरांचेर आतां एलिगेशनां पयलीं ट्विटाचेर. लक्षांत घे, सावंतवाडी सरकार आयलें कशें. सावंतवाडी सरकाराक मत मारुना लोकांनी. 2017 काँग्रेसीक 17+1 मेळिल्ले सारकें. बीजेपीक मुख्यमंत्री आहलो, ताचे 7 मंत्री वांगडी आहले आनी तांची स्ट्रेंथ 13 जाली. पूण 13 मेळिल्ल्या बीजेपीन सत्ते कडेन कशी पावली. कोणें खंय कोणाक उतर दिलें. खंय गोंयकार खंय उतराक सेर्त. सो उतर दिलें, ते उतर दिल्लो मनीस सोंपलो, उतर उरलें खंय आनी सावंतवाडी जाली. सो पळय, लक्षांत घेया, एलिगेशनां करता पळय ती चिंतून करपा जाय. कित्याक TMC ही एकूच पार्टी. आमी अशें आनी तशें उलोवना. TMC ही एकूच पार्टी जी नरेंद्र मोदी, अमित शाह ची नांवां घेता पयलीं म्हणजे बीजेपीच्या आड झुंजता ग्राउंडार, असेंब्लीन, पार्लमेंटान, सगळे कडेन. आनी हो क्रेडिबल विकल्प म्हणून बिफोर द पीपल इमर्ज जाला. सो लक्षांत धरपा जाय उलोवच्या पयलीं, एलिगेशन करच्या पयलीं की जीब आसा म्हणून कितेंय उलोवंक जायना. चिंतून उलोवपा जाय. कित्याक आमी सावंतवाडी सरकाराच्या आड आनी सावंतवाडी सरकाराक उडोवपाक जें कितें करपाक जाय थ्रू डेमोक्रेटीक मिन्स ते करतले. घराघरांनी वतले, घराघरांनी लोकांक एप्रोच करतले, प्रत्येक मेंबर ऑफ द फॅमिलीक, आनी करपाची प्रोसेस सुरू जाला. पूण हे सावंतवाडी हाडपी लोकांनी सावंतवाडी उडोवपाची भाशा उलयता पळय ते चिंतपा जाय. कित्याक हें सावंतवाडी येवचेंच नाशिल्लें हांगा. हें हाडलां कोणें तें पयलीं चिंतपाक जाय. बेटे एलिगेशनां करप न्ही. देरफॉर आवर फायट अगेन्स्ट this government with the help of the people will continue, and people have made up their mind that as far as TMC is concerned, even nationally the leadership of Madam Mamata Banerjee, as well as in the state, the issues which are being taken through the charge sheet, through people's visits, door-to-door visits, and the issues, these are the issues which people want politics to be all about. People want good administration. People want a blueprint of administration. So आता इतलें उलोवन हांव म्हज्या वांगडीक हे करता रिक्वेस्ट करता एथेलाक की ताणें तुमकां संबोधीत करचें.
Yesterday's news, which I heard about the Goa Forward and Congress Party getting together, is not a big surprise. This was in the pipeline. Everybody was aware of it. All our workers were aware of it. Only the leaders that came from the center were only fooling us. They wanted to blindfold us. Then they had blindfolded all the workers. The Goa Forward Party had 3 elected MLAs. But yesterday when I looked at this picture, the photograph, I saw one missing, one sailor was missing, one captain and one sailor is only there. In 2017, everybody knew that the Goa Forward, with his support, what did he do? Everybody was waiting to see what he was going to do. And he did it the way that he wanted to do. He supported the BJP party. He supported the BJP party only for his selfish interest. This man, everybody knows that they've called him a traitor, a betrayer. He betrayed the people of Fatorda. Everybody knows. Coming to a 1 month incident, I had been for a meeting where Rahul Gandhi addressed the workers, and he had clearly mentioned out there that they would not be taking defectors and traitors. But yesterday, there was a U-turn taken by all the leaders. Coming to the GPCC president, he kept on saying that there would not be any alliance. He started making statements to the press. Everybody knew that he was a blue-eyed boy of Rahul Gandhi. What happened yesterday? Where is he hiding? What he has to tell the people of Goa? The GPCC president is on record that this alliance or this Goa Forward will never be taken. The Goa Forward party has been fooling people of Goa, saying going kar pond. That's only 14 pond. The GPCC president, last week he was around saying that he would contest from Fatorda. What happened? He told the workers, do membership drive, active membership, do the block, do the district committees. And today he has fooled them. Is he going to export these people also to the Goa Forward Party? Is a question mark. The Goa Forward Party, one of his members is instrumental in destroying the heritage site at Old Goa. And now he's trying to turn away and he's fringing in ignorance. This is not happening. People are aware. He comes on the platform and he tells you one thing, and behind the back he will tell you another thing. The leaders who come from Delhi, the Congress leaders who come, they come like phantoms in the night. They promise you something and they disappear. I was last when I had mentioned this, that the desks in charge, the Congress desks in charge, he also had gone for lunch or dinner to Vijay Sardesai's place. And when he went there, when I had questioned him, he did not like it. But today, it is an eye-opener for everyone. The Goa Forward Party president is on record. He had called the MLAs, the Congress MLAs, monkeys. I hope so in the coming days, he will not use terms like chimpanzees and apes. The Goa Forward Party is a sinking ship. Everybody knows it. And to add to it, the Congress Party is living on a borrowed oxygen. They have nobody with them. They only take press conferences to fool the people. And behind the curtains, they do these deals, these settings, these fixings go on. You remember, we all remember, 10 of our MLAs, Congress MLAs, had joined. They joined the BJP. Have anybody questioned them as to why they joined? Some said out of greed, sheer greed. But something came to my mind, And this is what came to my mind, is that how could these 10 elected members work under an unelected member? How could this elected member work under a headless chicken? Let's question this also. It is, the election time is nearing. Everybody will try to throw stones at one another. But the Trinamool Congress is here. It is here to stand by for the people. Many times we hear people saying that many things you say, people forget. Many things you do, they forget. But people do not forget how you treat them. You can confuse people, but this time you cannot convince the voters. So from here on, I tell all my voters, my workers, and everybody, please join the Trinamool Congress. This is the alternative. This is the alternate party for Goa and for Goans. Thank you.
No, just make it this. Otherwise, the picture is correct.
शी आता बाबी आतिशान सांगला 2007 to 2012 इतले मोर्चा आसले, इतले देयर वॉज सो मच ऑफ एजिटेशन. हें सगळें सांगपाची गरज ना. The people in 2012 sent Digambar Kamath home, and the Congress party home because of the poor performance of the Congress party. Never in the history that a ruling party lost and came to a single digit number, and that happened under this very leader of opposition. Now, I have been saying it. My expulsion is now becoming clear why it was. Nobody can deny that I have been opposing this alliance tooth and nail. In fact, तुम्ही जाण आसतले की Congress official platform in the office, when I addressed the press conference, and सावंतवाडी सरकार चीफ मुख्यमंत्रीक कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट केलो, गँग ऑफ सिखा काढून भायर मारले म्हणून. But they were destroying Goa at a very fast rate. I congratulated from the Congress platform. They are not stories. They are factual situations. I have been saying there is a tall leader, strategist that is coming to Goa. He's come to fool the people of Goa. You know what happened at Kalamud. I don't want to repeat it again. When the UN cry of the entire bloc meeting is demanding to make an assurance that the BJP MLA will not be touched, and the press questions him, he says, I don't know who's he. What sort of a strategist are you? You are come to kill your own people? The three leaders who are striving for that Congress ticket? What strategy are you doing if you are not able to even know your enemy? He's worse than Modi, who said, at least he's saying China is not enter inside. He's admitting China is the enemy. This fellow is not admitting. Now, this same tall, what you call it, tall leader, a strategist, a liar number one. This alliance that has happened there, and they say that they are going to fight together. There were at least 4 people there, the president of the GFP, an MLA of the GFP, the Prasad Gaonkar, who also is there? 3? Huh? Vinod. No, these three blocks have approved, and you are telling the block workers that the block will decide the candidate. Have these 3 blocks approved it, giving them the green signal to go ahead? Has the leader of the opposition said a word against the destruction of the heritage site in Old Goa? What is right, whether we like it or not. The Goa Forward party had the courage to immediately remove their treasurer. But our party president is explaining that he gave a letter, the bloc president, who seconded the resolution of giving that license. He still continues to be there. And they are putting on video that Madam Mohitra is telling lies, that the Congress never participated in a protest. The man who proposed that the disaster is in that protest. And today he continues to be the bloc president. And explanation that he has said that it is wrong and I have withdrawn it. Because you withdraw, the crime is over. Who has learned this? Now you will see the PCC president is on record that under his presidency, he will never allow an alliance with the Goa Forward Party. But the latest strategy is this. They have realized that he has to be kicked out. And this is being made clear by a tall Kalangut leader and a prominent office bearer who met Rahul Gandhi in Delhi after Luis in Valero, Bob Yatish and company left the Congress. And Rahul Gandhi had told him that he had offered the position to Luis in Valero. So that means this man is a stopgap arrangement. And now it is going to happen. He will try to show that I am holier than thou. I don't agree to this alliance. I am tendering my resignation, collect the packet and go home. And then the statement of the General Secretary of the district who resigned, who said that the PCC president will be the richest politician before the counting starts, will come through. Because these are all deals. The man who was mysteriously removed, and I was with him, Goa desk in charge, is there, holding hands. Has that man who comes from Karnataka said a word against the Karnataka government who is trying to have a survey on the minority communities, especially the Catholics? And that's what I've said. Our PCC president is the most communal I've ever seen. And this I'm not saying today. I have written letters to this effect to him in month of about 7-8 months ago, questioning him and telling him change your attitude. But he would not. He would not. So I want to cut it short. The shocking tweet of Rahul Gandhi. Now, one question is very important. All the Goa MLAs had gone for the removal, that when the heat was on, to remove the PCC president. Who was Rahul Gandhi? A man is taking calls, taking decisions without any accountability and any responsibility. And that is the hue and cry all India of top leaders. You don't hold any position and all go to you. And you are taking the call. Now he makes last night a tweet that he had a fruitful discussion and he's happy. What is the fruitful discussion? To suck the bloods of Goans by getting the mining mafia, by getting the Jaikai mafia, getting the formalin mafia together and bring them and make the further ruination of Goa. What is the fruit? You are come to eat the fruits of the Goan blood? The PCC should explain, the tall leader, strategist, the in charge, the desk in charge, the PCC president should explain what was the meaning of betrayers and traitors, who they were. You have come to play the fool with your English language, trying to fool the Goans. Goans know better English than him. The demand, they should explain why are they ganging up with traitors who will not remain with them for 5 minutes because the ED, the CBI and everything is in their control. These fellows will leave their pants and shirt in the Congress office and be in the BJP camp. That's it.
Nitish Rao, ज्यांच्यानी काल युती केली दिल्लीत जाऊन ते पहिले ममता दिदीक मेळाक गेले आणि त्यांच्यानी म्हणाले की बीजेपी सरकारपासून लांब दवरले तर त्याच्यात आमकां एकत्र येवपाची गरज आशिल्ली. पूण मागीर प्रसाद गांवकर तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माच्या बाबतीत आशिल्लो तो काल काँग्रेसीक जॉईन जालो, युतीन जॉईन जालो. सरदेसाय म्हणटा आमकां आमी टीम गोवा करता आणि ज्यांका ज्यांका जॉईन
कितें करता?
जावं टीम गोवा
महागठबंधन
टीम गोवा म्हणटा.
आता गेल्या वर्सा आशिल्लें दिसता.
ना, आता म्हणटा
17 आशिल्लें मरे. आनी कितें आशिल्लें?
आता ते म्हणता आता आम्ही टीम गोवा केले.
आता इंग्लीश जालें. पयलीं आमी
तुम्ही
कोंकणी
कितें
आशिल्लें.
म्हणटा?
हा?
हे लिडर जे आशिल्ले आता ममता दिदी घेऊन पहिले येऊन मेळान गेल्ले सरदेसाय आणि सगळे प्रसाद गांवकर तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर आलो अशें कितें जालें की
ज्या लोकांक बीजेपी सरकार भायर रावपाक जाय ते आमच्या बरोबर उरतले. जे लोक बीजेपी सरकाराक हरोवंक सोदता त्या लोकांनी टीएमसी कडेन आयले आणि उलयले काय हरकत ना. पूण आमचे कडेन गेले ते तेवटेन तुका सांगले मरे आतां पळय ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेज सायट त्राशान बाबान सांगलें ऑपोजिशन लिडर कितें उलयला सांग म्हाका. ना ना हांव तुका उत्तर दिता तुजें. तू म्हाका असो उणा हाडटा. आयक तुजो ऑपोजिशन लिडर कितें उलयला आयक मरे सांगता तुका हांव. सांगता मरे तुका हांव. जे मनीस ऑपोजिशन लिडरा बरोबर आसा ते मनीस बीजेपीक हरोवपाक सिरियस ना. कित्याक तो बीजेपीचे कांयच उलयना. तो बीजेपीचे कांयच उलयना. तो उलयता फक्त अशें वाऱ्यार. तूं नाल्यार म्हाका सांग ओल्ड गोवा हेरिटेजाचेर तो एक स्टेटमेंट काडला. 16 बीचेर एक स्टेटमेंट काडला. मागीर तुजे फॉर्मालिनाचेर एक स्टेटमेंट काडला. कसलो ऑपोजिशन लिडर रे बाबा. ताणें सांगिल्लें की आपलो आदर्श काशीनाथ जल्मी जातलो म्हणून. याद आहा म्हाका. याद आहा तुका. ताणें सांगिल्लें की आपूण ऑपोजिशन लिडर जातकूच काशीनाथ जल्मी आपलो आदर्श म्हणून. यू नो व्हॉट डॉक्टर काशीनाथ जल्मी वॉज? डॉक्टर काशीनाथ जल्मी वॉज अ फायरी ऑपोजिशन लिडर हू टूक अप इश्यूज. खंय आहा रे उलोवप.
व्हॉट्स अबाउट प्रसाद गांवकर तो तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर आसलो.
तो आमची पार्टी जॉईन जावन आशिल्लो.
पण तुमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माच्या बाबतीत आशिल्लो.
तो पार्टी जॉईन जावन आशिल्लो. आता कोण येवन मेळ्ळा कोण येवन गेला. आता ती केदी लिडर मॅडम बॅनर्जी व्हडली लिडर. सो तिका कोण येवन मेळून गेलो. सो दॅट इज हे न्ही कितें म्हणटा ते कॉर्डियल विजीट आसता.
म्हाका एक सांगा प्रसाद गांवकाराचे कितें अर्थ उरला तो तोय प्लॅटफॉर्मार गेला तो फाल्यां खंय गेलो खबरा तो जॉईन जावना
हा,
न्ही
तो जॉईन जावना.
तो प्लॅटफॉर्मार गेला ताका प्लॅटफॉर्म जालो की धांवता तो ट्रेन येयली वचतालो तो.
ओके. आणि इशू ऑफ म्हादई अँड ऑल थिंग्स तुम्ही म्हणाल 2007 रस्त्यार आशिल्ले त्या टायमार तुम्ही काँग्रेसीन आशिल्ले.
हांव काँग्रेसीन ऑफिशियली ना पूण कॅन्डिडेटांक सपोर्ट केला.
कॅन्डिडेट
2009 जितेंद्र देशप्रभू पार्लमेंटाचो इलेक्शन आशिल्लो तो बाबडो ना आता फामिलीक विचारले भेटले. ताच्या बरोबर लोकांक आशिल्ले तांकां विचारले भेटले. दोतोर वेली प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्लो एनसीपीचो.
2009
हाका खबर आसा हे तेन्ना काँग्रेसीन तेन्ना जितेंद्राकूय सपोर्ट केला आणि
अल्टिमेटली लोकांनी जाप दिली मरे
हा?
लोकांनी रिप्लाय केलो न्हू.
सारकी
इट इज द वर्स्ट टायम एक सिटींग गव्हर्मेंट रुलींग गव्हर्मेंट कम
नो कित्याक आयले बरें काम केल्लें म्हणून. What do you want to say that people of Goa got 9 seats? Why? Because they were fed up. See, I'll tell you. 2007 there were elections, correct? In that election, Pratap Singh Rane was the chief minister and Ravi Naik was the PCC president, correct? If people wanted BJP, they would have voted for BJP in 2007. They did not vote. They voted for Congress. 2012, why people voted for Manohar Parrikar with 21? Not because Manohar Parrikar was, people were in love with Manohar Parrikar. Manohar Parrikar, nobody was in love with him. That is different. People rejected Congress government. Understand this? People rejected Congress government. And they no ache राहिले पळय ते अजून पळय 2017 इलेक्शन जाले न्ही. मडकयकार लेफ्ट द पार्टी. मोविन गुदीन लेफ्ट द पार्टी. करेक्ट. कितले आले 5-6 आशिल्ले. तेन्ना आमचो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष लुईझिनबाब फालेर तो तेन्ना पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट आशिल्लो काँग्रेसीचो. 17+1 हाडले. खंयच्या आयले ढगांतल्यान कश्ट करून आणि लोकांनी आशीर्वाद दिलो. लोकांक काँग्रेस गव्हर्नमेंट जाय आशिल्ली. काँग्रेस पार्टी विथ द पीपल ऑफ गोवा बॉट 17+1. मनोहर पर्रीकार जेन्ना आशिल्लो पळय, मनोहर पर्रीकार पिड्ड्यार केन्ना आलो? 18 मरे, 19 सारखे. 2012 ते 2019 दिगंबर कामतीन मनोहर पर्रीकाराचे नाव घेतलेले म्हाका दाखय. I am talking against him only, because he is the opposition leader. I am not talking against anybody else, because I don't know if they deserve much attention. But as far as this person is concerned, you show me, I stand to be corrected. You show me if one statement has been made by this opposition leader that Narendra Modi has destroyed this country, Amit Shah has destroyed this country, or Pramod Sawant has destroyed Goa, or Manohar Parrikar has destroyed Navana. म्हाका एक स्टेटमेंट दाखय, एक स्टेटमेंट म्हाका हाडून दाखय. असेंब्लीन केला बी दाखय म्हाका.
आता तुम्ही म्हणता की आताचे इश्यू आणि पेंडिंग असतात त्याची सुरुवात म्हणता काँग्रेस काळात झाली अशी दिसतं तुमका?
अरे बाबा, 2007 ते 2012 म्हणसर जे सरकार आताच्या ऑपोजिशन लिडरान चलयला पळय, ताचे सगळ्यांक भोगचे पडले मरे. आम्ही काँग्रेसीन आशिल्ले न्ही तेन्ना, आमकांय भोगचे पडले. लोकांची अपेक्षा कितें आशिल्ली? 2017 काँग्रेस येवची, सारखें काय ना? लोकांची अपेक्षा बीजेपीची आशिल्ली. बीजेपीन सरकार चोरून गेले मरे. बीजेपी stole the mandate of the people. BJP is running a immoral government which does not have the blessings of the people of Goa.
They didn't steal.
Huh?
Congress sold it. They didn't steal.
Rather, they sold at this purchase, something like that. Digambar Kamath government was rejected in 12 because of the कितें आसता ना मरे, तुका जर भूक लागली न्ही, भूक लागली, तुका रांदपाकूय कळपाक जाय. तुका भूक लागल्या पूण रांदपाक येना, मागीर ते कितेंय करपाचें. This is what is being done, and they will give lease of life to BJP. They want to do it. TMC will not allow it. TMC is the only party which is serious in its fight against BJP. Otherwise, you show me one statement where opposition leader today, he is the leader of opposition, man. Show me one statement which he has made against Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Pramod Sawant or Manohar Parrikar by name. Show me one statement. That shows to you that it is TMC which is the only credible alternative to fight the BJP. त्याला म्हाका दाखय हा. फुडल्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सच्या पयलीं आमकां हाडून दाखय. मनोहर पर्रीकार 2012 ते 2019 तो पिड्ड्यार जाला तेन्ना म्हणसर म्हाका एक स्टेटमेंट दाखय वेर ही हॅज सेड मनोहर पर्रीकार तुवें गोंयचे हे वाट लायले म्हाका दाखय. कंडोलन्स मोशनाक बी उलयता तो, खूब वेळ उलयता आनी उलोवचें.
ती गेलो मरे.
तो उलयता कंडोलन्स मोशनाक हाका ताका तसल्याक उलयता तो. कित्याक आय एम टॉकिंग ऑफ बीजेपी, नाल्यार फाल्यां म्हणटले कितें तो उलयता खूब म्हणून असेंब्लीन. खूब कित्याचेर उलयता? बीजेपीचेर उलयता काय विचारता हांव तुका. कंडोलन्स मोशनांचेर उलयत, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेटरी मोशनांचेर उलयत, ते उलयता ते हांव उलयना ताचेर. बीजेपीचेर उलयता नांवां घेवन ते म्हाका दाखय. आणि इफ द ऑपोजिशन लीडर is not taking the leadership name of BJP, it means that only TMC, which is fighting BJP completely with its full seriousness, is the only credible alternative, and people have realized it. People are with us, आणि म्हणून हांच्या पोटान दुखपा लागला. आणि एक चालेल मरे
आता न्ही ममता दिदी शरद पवारांक मेळ्ळी बॉम्बेत. शरद पवारांनी म्हटले की तिसऱ्या आघाडीची शक्यता आहे. तसंच गोव्यामध्ये चर्चेत आल्यामुळे म्हणतात की जर TMC आणि NCP जर एकत्र आले तर चांगलं होऊ शकतं. TMC काय
अरे शरद पवार आतां येदो व्हडलो लिडर ताजेर तो कितें उलयता हांव कितें सांगतलो तुका
गोव्यातल्या परिस्थिती विशीं विचारतो.
गोंयांतलें तूं कांयच जाणा म्हाका तुवें शरद पवार ममता दिदी शरद पवाराची मेळ्ळ्या बॉम्बे हें विचारलां म्हाका तूं बॉम्बे मेळ्ळ्या मरे हांव कितें सांगतलो तुका
आलेवा म्हणटा की
तर तो म्हणटा हांव कितें करूं
तुमचे कितें आसतलें अलायन्साचे
पळयात आमी सांगलां ताजन बाबान सांगलां हांवें सांगलां एतेलान
तुमची कितें
सांगलां
भुमिका?
लुइजीन बाबान सांगलां हांगा जर कोणें उलयलें आमी सांगूं शकता न्ही आं
तुमची भुमिकेत एनसीपीन जर तुमकां अलायन्साक हात मागलो तर तुम्ही दितले
आमी पयलीं येवन तुका विचारतले तुका सांगतले
ना ना पण तुमचे कितें आसतलें
आमी तुका विचारतले आनी तुका सांगतले
No, he wants to know whether TMC and
Sangle
NCP should go together.
I think they have made it clear 46.
Yeah, they have said, they have said very clearly what has to be spoken. When we joined TMC in Bengal, in Calcutta, Abhishek Banerjee, who is a national general secretary, made us this on that. Then, when our leaders have come here, our desk in charge is here, our other leaders, they have made it very clear on that. Tu parte parte विचारता. Sharad Pawar ji, Mamta Banerjee कडे कितें उलयलें that we cannot talk on.
Like that Modi and Devegowda met.
So it's all alliance versus alliances.